Hey there, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can host your images, video or anything online without paying a single penny of fee to the server or to the website. So it is a very simple trick, it is a very simple way you can host your images online. You can use them as CDN, which is known as Content Delivery Network. So the very first thing is that you have to make an account on Dropbox. If you are already have an account in Dropbox, it would be very easy, but you can also make an account on Dropbox. So the second step is that you have to create a folder. Likewise, I'm just here created host file free. So this is my folder, and in between my folder I have just pasted 4 of my images. Okay, so these are my, for example, you can use this as your project images for your website. So these are my 4 dummy images. So what I'm going to do is that I have just click on this share button, and when you click on the share button, it will pop up like this. You have to create a shareable link. So just click on this create a link and copy your link. Okay, after that you have to paste your link in your URL of your browser and just remove this dropbox.com, because if you do not remove this and you can use in your website, so you will pop up like this one. So it would be property of a Dropbox. It would be looking like something like Dropbox. So it is not as much as you can use on your server, or you can use this as your images. So what you have to do is just remove this Dropbox URL and paste DL, this URL. Okay, so just copy it and paste here and hit enter. So as you can see now, this is different from the previous one. In this URL you can actually use this as CDN, Content Delivery Network. You can use them as your hosting, you can use them as your host images, and just use in your website as your project or anything that you want without paying a single penny of fees. So this is a very excited and very much feature. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, share with your friend and comment down below if you're having any problem.